Hello, welcome back my channel. Today I'm sharing how to read easily English words. So we need to teach our children about English letter sounds by Jolly Phonics methods. So let's learn group 2 letter sounds CKEH, RMD. Letter C sound is k, 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 so cap. The cap has beginning sound k, 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 and letter K sound is k, k, k too. So kid and k, k, and letter E sound is e, e. So eggplant. And letter H sound. Letter H sound is h, h, h. So hip. Hip has letter h sound. And R sound. Letter R sound is r. So rug. After that, letter M sound. Letter M sound is m. So mud. And letter D. Letter D sound is d. So dig. Dig has letter D sound. D. Thanks for watching my video. See you on next video. Bye.